Hello, dear students of class 9. First chapter is in history, French Revolution. You know that French Revolution took place on 14th July 1789 in France, in Europe continent. And you know that this revolution brought about change in society in Europe. There were many changes. You see that equality, fraternity, liberty are the contribution of French Revolution. So French Revolution changed not only Europe but also the whole world. You see that French Revolution took place 14th July 1789, and you see that first on morning of 14th July 1789 the city of Paris was in a state of alarm. It means that Paris city was in confusion. They had fear that king will order troops to move into the city and will give order to fire upon the citizens. So people of Paris, about 7,000 men and women, gathered in front of the town hall in Paris town. They formed a people's militia. Militia means troops, people of troops, and they broke into a number of government buildings. It means that they started searching weapons, arms, ammunition in the government buildings. At last you see that the people of Paris stormed. Storm means they demolished the Bastille jail, and they find hoarded ammunition in the Bastille gate. You see that the commander of Bastille was killed by the people of Paris. They also released prisoners, although the prisoners were only 7. The Bastille prison was hated by all people of France because people think that the Bastille jail was the symbol of despotic power of the king. You know that France ruled by Louis XVI of France, who was very despot ruler. Despot means arbitrary ruler. The king had all power in hand. Again you see the people broke out, destroyed Bastille jail, and they took away the stone fragments of the Bastille jail and they distributed among the people as they thought that now they are free from the monarchy system. And you see that this event also paved away many changes in France. Now we shall study about French society. What was the condition of French society in 18th century? You know the society of France divided into 3 states. States means class. First state called clergy. In Hindi you can call it Padri Varg. Nobility, Queen Varg. And third state was common people of France, included big businessmen, merchants means saudagar, court officials, lawyers, peasants, farmers, artisans. All common people of France were in the third group. Now this French society was based on inequality. Inequality means asamanta. First state and second state had all privileges. They have special rights, but third class, the third state had no power, no privilege, but they had to pay all the taxes to the government, to the state. First state and second state had all money, but they did not have to give tax to the government. So the people of France were very annoyed. They wanted to change. So the French Revolution took place due to the inequality in French society. Now the next topic is the struggle to survive. It means that people were struggling for surviving. Today you see, due to coronavirus, people of the world are survived a struggle. They are struggling to survive. So French Revolution, you see that people of France were increasing, their population was increasing. Their population in 1715 was 2.3 crore. Now in 1789 their population increased to 2.8 crores. So production was not increasing like demand of the people, so the price of goods were increasing. They have the situation of subsistence crisis. Subsistence crisis means extreme situation where basic means of livelihood are endangered. It means that people were not surviving. Now the next point is a growing middle class envisages an end to privileges. It means that there was a middle class which was keeping into French society. This middle class was very prosperous class. They wanted change in the French society. They were influenced by educated class like Rousseau, Voltaire, Montesquieu. All philosophers wanted change. They wanted that government should follow the principle of division of power, like legislature, executive, judiciary. The power should be divided into all bodies of the government. Thank you. Next day we shall study.